Hi girlfriends, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. This week's video is a relaxing after dark clean with me. I figured it was the perfect time to film this style video, so I hope that you enjoy it. Let me know if you are unwinding after a long day or if you're cleaning with me along in the comments below. So let's get started. Damaged. Hey girlfriend, and welcome back to my channel. It's a little after 9 here. My husband is out of town on a writer's retreat. It has been the kids and I. It's a school night and the kids are already asleep, and I'm the only one left awake. Thankfully, I don't have a lot to get done, but I wanted to film an after dark or after dinner clean with me. These are some of my favorite to film, and I hope some of your favorites as well. I feel like they are so calming and therapeutic, so whether you're here to calm down and feel some relaxation or here to get motivated, I've got you covered. Waking up to a clean kitchen and main floor helps me start the day well with a nice, organized, and clean space. But I am so thankful that you're here. Whether you're a returning girlfriend or new to the channel or have not had the chance to subscribe yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and join this empowering community. I'd love to have you. Pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Let me know in the comments if there is one chore you have to do every single night. For me, it's always our dishes. If I only do one thing, I almost always make sure that our dishes are washed, and that way we start out with the clean dishes in the morning. Our kids are able to do their morning chores by putting the dishes away, and also I'm not starting my day with a sink full of dirty dishes because I feel like that makes the day so much more daunting. So that is my personal #1 chore that I feel I have to get done every single night. 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you. I also wanted to mention that I know some of you have been waiting patiently on our bedroom makeovers. Those videos will be going up very soon. I'm currently working on an idea feature wall for our master bedroom that is renters friendly and will prevent less damage on the wall. But I cannot wait to share these makeovers with you, and I promise you that they'll be worth the wait. So just make sure that you have subscribed and you have your notification bell on so that you don't miss out on the bedroom makeover series.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness.
Once I tidied up everything in the kitchen, I placed my sponge in the cloth in the microwave for 1 minute to sanitize it. I moved on to wiping my table with disinfectant wipes by Arm & Hammer.
Forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you tons of cleaning motivation. I also hope it was very relaxing for you and helped you calm down and feel peaceful. I love these after dark videos just for that reason. I hope sharing a little calming music was relaxing to you. You have to let me know in the comments below.
Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind.
Thank you so much for being here, girlfriend. And I'm going to leave some other cleaning videos at the end of this video if you need some more cleaning motivation. I will see you next week, and if you haven't heard already, you are enough. Until next time, girlfriend, stay beautiful.
There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see